Hello everyone, here is Ratorji and today I will teach you how to send a bulk email using YCloud API. This is very cheap API. You can send 1000 messages in just $1, maybe a more, but it's a very nice price and message is going to be delivered very well. So before we start, let me show you a few things so you can understand what we're gonna learn. So first you need to start your Apache server. I'm using XAMPP, so already I started Apache. After that you have to type localhost, and I have many projects inside of XAMPP, so let me just type st ycloud. So this is smtp ycloud project. So here you need to add your, one second, let me add one more. Actually this is Gmail. So this way you can add your multiple email addresses like this. So if you have if you have lots of, you just copy and paste like this. Then here is a subject. So subject is, this is test subject, email YCloud, anything you can type here, and here is a test messages from YCloud. And after that you need to send, just click to send, and it will send all the email addresses to once. Okay, so all the messages has been gone, and surprisingly 0.001 at one email. So I think this is a good price. So let me check the inbox of those emails, so you will see the messages inside in your inbox. So it's loading. Let me log in one more. Let's first see this one. Actually this is come in promotional because I have created account at promotional account YCloud. Just let me check one more, which is my Rediff mail account, Rediff mail. And go to email, and then sign in. Junk, not bulk. Oh, it's came inside bulk. You can see this is test email YCloud. Okay, so this is bulk email, so it's coming here, but it's not mean all the emails is going to be promotional and the bulk, so don't worry about it. So I think you should try this one. So this is just a demonstration, so let me show you a source code of this, how it's working. So first need to go to this PC, C drive, then XAMPP, then stdoc, then YCloud, sorry, YCloud, SMTP, yeah, SMTP YCloud. So these are the files and folders which we have used inside this project. And also this this email sender have the send from CSV file as well. So I have a folder CSV, listed of CSV, you can upload and it will send. Then import CSV file, index.php, php mailer. Actually this is not an important file. Actually I have just modified this project because this one are using a php mailer. So let's delete this one because this is not part of this project. So these are the files, and let's delete this test.php. So index.php have some HTML form like this. Like this email list, you can add a send from CSV, subject and message. So these are the index.php file. All the source code is available on my website. You can get you can download directly from my website. All right, so we have seen this file index.php, and this is just a normal HTML email list, subject and messages. And also we have import.csv. So let me just open. This is for importing your CSV file. Whatever file you will upload, it will just rename it list.csv, upload it inside a CSV folder. Okay, and previous one has been updated, means previous one deleted, and then new file has been added. So this is just for that. And this is the file permission, and file has been uploaded of something. And just go back here again. So smtp dot php have some my confidential data, confidential key. So I'm not going to show you, but actually the code is this one. Go to php, then click here and the guzzle, and then you have to example yeah, guzzle, and let's try it. So you have to add your key here, whatever key you will add. So this key will be automatically added here. So this code you have to copy from here, and you can add this code inside smtp.php. and this is body.pg. this is also not important. And one more thing, you have to install YCloud Guzzle using a composer. So you have to come here and just type cmd. So command prompt has been opened, and you have to paste this command, composer require guzzle http:/guzzle, and hit enter. So it will download all the related packages using related to guzzle and YCloud. So guzzle will connect your API to YCloud, and you will be able to send bulk emails. So this is just a small thing, I think a very small project. You can use this one for sending bulk emails, and pricing is really very good, so anybody can use it. So pretty much I have shown you about this YCloud email APIs. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this. So thanks for watching.